Hello everyone, today I want to introduce about my startup, so let's start. This is the picture of Hanoi Old Quarter. As everyone knows, this is one of the most famous tourist areas in Hanoi City. According to Mr. Phạm Tuấn Long, the Vice Chairman of the People Committee of Hoàn Kiếm District, in the past 4 years since the implementation of the pedestrian streets in 2016, this city has on average attracted 3,000 to 5,000 people during the day and about 15,000 to 20,000 in the evening. This image as a picture of the Hanoi Old Quarter area after the COVID was rushing. As a consequence of the COVID, the number of visitors has decreased dramatically over the past year as most of the current visitors are Vietnamese. So the decrease in tourist number caused most hotels and restaurants to close, land price to buy or rent simultaneously plumb. This makes owning a business location here is no longer difficult as before. It led me to a startup idea of a hotel to prepare for business when the country in particular and the world in general recover their economy after COVID. With such favorable conditions to our myself a business area, it led me to a startup idea of a hotel business. The idea of this startup is that a European style hotel will appear in Hanoi Old Quarter, helping visitors feel a new culture with ancient European style combined with the scenery of an old town. In this slide, I will talk about the vision, mission, and our strategic goal. About the vision, we are innovative for foreign travelers through the combination of diversity of ethnic identities and being the first choice for those visiting in Vietnam. In terms of mission, we bring the most comfortable accommodation and high quality service to our customer. Customer can experience and find inspiration and beauty in the daily life of local and other visitors. With classic decor combined with modern technology, the hotel will bring you comfort and give you the sharpest experience. In the short term, I expect to raise the standard of the hotel to 5-star with a term of professional staff and modern equipment by the end of 2022. In order to upgrade this facility, promotion and marketing is necessary to find and reach a steady stream of customers to increase hotel revenue. Estimated monthly turnover of the hotel is approximately 200 to 300 million Vietnam dong. In addition, users accumulate knowledge to standardize department and maximize resources. From there, the hotel will be upgraded to meet the needs of a 5-star hotel. In the long term, continue to maintain occupancy capacity for upgrading and expanding hotel and event and tour related service, specifically maintaining the occupancy rate of about 70 to 80% per year is our goal in the next 5 years. In this slide, I'm going to analyze the external environment to identify the benefit of business. About the political and legal factor, Vietnam currently has policy for the first time on goods to create fixed asset to investors in the hotel industry. Besides pilot policy and expanding the operating area of Hanoi pedestrian streets have been continuously implemented from 2016 to this time. In addition, visa law has been removed in many countries, creating opportunity and potential for tourists. It can be seen that the open door and facilitation policy for the development of the tourist industry in Vietnam are an important factor in implementing plan and strategy to fix the access of preferential tax rate. Besides the law loosening and applying visa other for the creating opportunity to go and attract tourists. But in terms of social factor, unique culture of belief and cuisine as well as cultural import from abroad about fashion and music are gathered in Hanoi or Quarter is open up a new opportunity for the hospitality sector. Moreover, famous cultural festivals from domestic and abroad are held in this location. This factor is indispensable when it directly affects the visitor experience. The hotel model is only part of the experience of the traveler. Human experience, cultural exchange organized by local people are also one of the key factors that bring perfect customer experience. About the technology, there are more and more online booking websites appearing to help tourists easily register for check-in as soon as they arrive at the tourist destination without having to wait. Okay. The next is Portal 5 of framework. In this framework there are 5 elements. So the first is the threat of new entrant. Hanoi Old Quarter is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Hanoi, with a land value of approximately 1 to 2 billion Vietnam dong per square meter. Besides, the number of hotels here is limited due to the conservation policy of the Old Quarter set by Hanoi City. For that reason, the threat of new entry is not high. In terms of substitute products, the conversion costs are low because there are very few 5-star hotels in this location right now. Hotels that meet international or similar standards will be concentrated in other areas due to neighborhood protection policy and the high land value. The next factor is bargaining power of buyers. Due to the complicated development of COVID-19, the large number of tourists has decreased, leading to an increase in the ability of tourists to negotiate on price. This led to sharp drop in room rate, but it had no future reference value. In addition, there are not many 5-star hotels around Hanoi Old Quarter, which leads to a high percentage of customers choosing our hotel service and products. As a result, the bargaining power of buyers is low. About the bargaining power of supplier, the bargaining power of supplier in this field is assessed to be very low, as input item and product can be easily found anywhere such as food, home appliances, travel agencies. However, this product depend heavily on external factors to bring quality material and product. About competitor rivalry, there are more and more cheap and medium priced hotels has sprung up on Hanoi Old Quarter to attract customers, and the preparation after COVID that led to fewer competitors in this field. So it can be seen that the cheap hotel with average product quality create a distinct advantage for our hotel in terms of 5-star service quality combined with different in style. Now I'm going to introduce the value chain of my startup. The first is from infrastructure. The business now are a hotel on Hanoi Old Quarter equipped with essential items such as computer to control room number, spending, communication system, internet and other support system. This is what sets it apart from other hotels in the region thanks to modern technology, but do not lose the essence of European decor. But the human resource management, the recognition management system is still at the primary level, does not have a complete apparatus manage the quality of human resource due to its small scale. In terms of technology development, information processing and management activities are fully updated. Activities for online booking are managed online and ready to be received continuously through online applications such as Booking, Traveloka. In addition, the lighting and electricity network is equipped with the most advanced product to help minimize the cost and maximize the profit. About the procurement, the purchase and search for input product and service have been thoroughly deployed with reasonable price. The items on maintain the hotel include food, beverage, wine for minibar, and other sanitary items such as shampoo, shower gel, toothbrush, towels. They are the items that a hotel needs to provide continuously to guests. In addition, the 5-star standard customer service related procedure also contribute to the difference in style and quality. About inbound logistics, this service providing essential products such as toiletries, drinking water, and clean food have been linked with domestic supplier at reasonable price to be ready to be served customer. About operation activity also provide output to customer including room bar, laundry service, car rental, spa service, tour. These are the activities that are mainly generating main profit for hotel. About logistics, the system of online booking room, email response from customer are applied professional system on Booking, Traveloka, and My Tour. Marketing and sales, the team of selling products such as tour, wine, and souvenir is strictly controlled and well trained. In addition, the marketing system supported by online booking website and other media contribute to support and reinforce the difference in the style and professionalism of the hotel. All of these factors mentioned above helps the organization operate automatically with the quality output to deliver to customer. After analyzing the value chain of our business, the real framework will be outlined below, which will evaluate the company internal and resource to find the difference from other business. The first is value. The value that a hotel will bring to customer is providing customer with the 5-star service and product combined with cultural diversity, especially Vietnamese culture through event is in good on interaction before, during, and after the use of a service or product. This makes customers can feel respect and value in the eyes of our service personnel. In terms of variety, the classic European style offers a familiar experience for European tourists who combine with other Vietnamese culture to create a variety that few hotels can do. It requires a distinct style from popular hotel service and business location. About imitation, the imitation is possible, but it's very difficult to do in the design phase. Of make classical decor because the cost of this value is quite expensive. Besides, in order to help customers learn the culture of tourist destination with many events held here on many occasions of the year, such as pedestrian street, is difficult to out because this is one of the most expensive locations in Hanoi. About organized, our hotel learn and accumulate knowledge about European structure, event, and culture, and apply it to hotel decor as well as systematically training employees so that customers can feel familiar. In addition, the organization approaches to upgrade facility as well to rotate room for guests when an incident occurs is well prepared so as not to affect customer experience. From the above analysis, it can be seen that the current customers are quite few, but it opens up an opportunity for the development and potential of the hotel after COVID. Okay, in this slide I will introduce about my strategic plan. In the period of preparation, I expect to complete construction or acquisition for a hotel on Hanoi Water with full electricity, water, internet, television network. In addition, learn more about the cultural identity of Europe and Vietnam, and then find common ground to apply in corporate culture. The estimate revenue to maintain during this period is approximately 100 million Vietnam dong per month. Immediate expensive service to stay in COVID-19 about the human resource positions such as receptionist, housekeeper, chef, laundry, security, accountant, and manager are required persons to be able to maintain the operation of the hotel. Estimate staff during this period is 12 people. In the period of launch, I expect to maintain the infrastructure necessary about to cope with the crisis caused by COVID-19. Moreover, learn about the requirement and procedure for standardization to achieve the goal, and upgrading hotel to 5-star quality, and continue maintain the turnover of 100 million Vietnam dong with 12 employees is necessary position. After 1 to 3 years, I expect to enhance more services such as a mini bar, spa, swimming pool, laundry, souvenirs. Nevertheless, fulfill requirements and systematically accumulate knowledge to a 5-star standard. After the COVID crisis ends, we expect revenue to approximate about 300 million Vietnam dong per month for the next 3 years. The opening of spa service, bar and swimming pool and tours will bring a huge amount of revenue. All of the service will need to recruit more employees. The number of employees is expected to increase to about 20 to 25 people. After 5 to 20 years, I want to improve and expand the hotel premise to be able to welcome more visitors. In addition, maintain a 5-star standard that incorporates European event and cultural to create a unique and distinctiveness that is hard to catch. To minimize unnecessary costs and optimize the resort, integrate and utilize additional human resource and hospitality management technology is needed. The number of employees is expected to increase to about 35 to 40 people to maintain all of the operation. That's all about my startup. So thanks for listening and watching.